What does apprenticeship mean to me? Apprenticeship is the opportunity to not only gain a livable wage and have the ability to take care of yourself, it is also a great start on a rewarding and profitable career.
My name is Evan Thomas. I teach advanced manufacturing and machining at the Pierce County Skills Center. I'm also an AJAC graduate of 2017 and have been teaching with AJAC for about the last 7 to 8 years.
When I was in high school, I didn't have the ability to take a shop class. There were shop classes that were available, but my friends weren't taking them. I didn't think that it was something for me. When I encountered the AJAC program in 2012, it was the first time that I ever learned in my life that I am a visual, hands-on learner. I never really enjoyed learning math or doing math, and once I found out that it was something that could help me succeed in my career, it became something that I was very much interested in. The AJAC program specifically allowed me to not only find a career that I was passionate about, it also helped me be a part of a lot of different jobs that shaped the world. In 2018, when I was an apprentice at Machinist Incorporated, I was able to personally machine the gears that spin the renovated Space Needle around. Those will be parts that'll be on the Space Needle for the next 100 years, perhaps. So it'll be a legacy that I will leave for my family. And it was all helped and provided with the opportunity that AJAC offered me.